We're here in Paris, and a lot of the buildings are really, really old. This wall behind me is a little over 200 years old, and I wanted to show you something interesting that has to do with erosion. The rocks in the wall are quarried, and they're made out of a limestone, which is pretty soft in comparison to other stones. But notice that the mortar is still intact, but the limestone is eroding away. And most likely because of acids in the rain. You can see how it's etched in where my hand is, but the mortar itself is along the same line. It's not being eroded because the mortar is made up of different material. So some fascinating science of erosion and erosive properties of rain that we can see right here in this really old wall in Paris.